Here I'm going to be rekeying a quick set doorknob lock. This is the original key. It still works. Set that one to the side. Start out pulling the back out. Move that out to the side. Make sure you don't lose it. I already got my pin set up with the new cut key right there. I'll show you that in a second. Let's get this out. Get your plug follower. You don't have to have a plug follower. You can use a marker or something that just fits through the cylinder, or you could even just pop the top off and dump them all out, but that's a mess. There's pins in there, you can see them. Just dump them out. Put the old key on. Stick the new key in. Tweezers. You don't need the tweezers, but I find them easier. Make sure all sitting smooth as a sure line. Just go and stick it back through. Now make sure you put the retaining clip back on before you try to pull the key in and out, because that's a big mess. Now you can try it. Works perfect. Well, there it is. It's a shitty lock, but that's how you rekey a quick set lock. Well, that's what it is. That metal thing right there slid over. I mean, it looks like a, well, I'm not going to say what it looks like, but that's it. You just use this key decoder. It's just an old key that I already had to an older lock, another lock that I don't have anymore. That's it. Peace out, y'all. Oh, one more thing. You also need a pinning kit just to do that, so I don't know. Whatever. Peace.